So, if you want to start investing in crypto, the first step is creating an account on Coinbase. In this video, I'll show you the full setup process step by step. Alright, first, open Coinbase on your browser or download the app from your app store. Now click on the sign up button. This will take you to the registration page. Next, enter your full name, email address, and create a strong password. Make sure it's secure. After that, Coinbase will send you a verification email. Open it and click the confirmation link. Now, enter your phone number. You'll receive a code to verify it. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. This usually includes uploading an ID like a passport or driver's license. Now set up extra security like two-factor authentication. This helps protect your account. Finally, once everything is done, your Coinbase account will be ready. You can now explore crypto, buy, or just learn. So, yeah, that's how you can create a Coinbase account in 2026. It only takes a few minutes if you follow the steps properly. If this helped, feel free to check out more simple guides like this.